everyone. So today I'm going to teach all you iPhone users out there how to access Siri through the car, and then I'm going to show you how to use voice commands that come standard with your Lexus through the navigation system. Okay, so first, to access Siri, we're going to use the off hook button on the left side of the steering wheel here, and I'm going to press and hold her to get Siri to come up through my navigation screen. So from here I can ask Siri any question that I would normally ask her. Hi Siri, how's the weather today?
It's currently clear and 75 degrees in Scottsdale. Temperatures are heading down from 77 degrees this afternoon to 60 tonight. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
Well, good to know. Alrighty, so now we're going to access voice commands through the steering wheel also. So I'm going to press the voice command button on my left side of the steering wheel. Looks like a person talking to you. So I'm just going to press and release that button.
Please say a command.
And from here, I can use any command that I would give the Lexus navigation system. So you can find a point of interest. You can tell her to call a contact of yours. But that is how you access Siri versus voice commands in your Lexus. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.